15 to go in the ball game. 6 to shoot para sa Ginebra. Helterbrand has the ball. Tubid, 4-3. Sumobra. Raimundo with the rebound, and that's going to mean free throws for Kirby Raimundo.
Dalawang pagkakataon, si Eric Mek nagbigay siya ng loose ball foul, and we did mention, penalty na nga. You're really giving Pure Foods a chance to come back kasi hindi na sila nag-uubos ng oras. Nasa free throw line sila. Kanina they got away with it with the Dukol. I don't think Kirby Raimundo is capable of missing two at this point.
You are absolutely correct. He has been the man of the moment dito sa second half. And ngayon, tinabla niya ang ating laro. 92 all with 1 minute and 9 to go. And Raimundo gives Pure Foods the lead. 93-92. And we will enter this Ginebra timeout with 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining. Ito yung sweet layup ni JJ Helterbrand kanina. The Helterbrand and the Gin Kings really hoping to give their fans a Christmas Day present. No, pamaskong aginaldo on Christmas Day, but they're down by 1. Here's our Grand Matador Brandy blazing player. Yan po si Eric Mek. Abit sa inyo ng Grand Matador Brandy. Tuloy ang init. 19 points so far for the former PBA MVP. But will it be enough? They are down by 1. 19 seconds to shoot. Ball na kay Tubid. They want to go inside to Mek because the Dukol is in foul trouble. Helterbrand to Salvacion for 3. Yes, sir! That's a Sunday special!
Bigo, what a shot by Sunday Salvacion at the start of this coverage. Tinanong natin, masasalba niya pa kaya itong Barangay Ginebra? That's his answer right there, this 3-point shot.
When Ginebra needed a basket, they went to Salvacion to save the day. A Sunday special. And Salvacion now with 21 points in the ball game. Ginebra on top by 2. Itong ating Christmas Day crowd of close to 19,000 fans enjoying every minute of this showdown ng dalawang kupunan. Naiisa ang hangarin, ayan ay pasayahin yung kanilang mga libo-libong fans na nandito sa loob ng Big Dome, nagsisiksikan, nagsisigawan, naghihiyawan, nagpapalakpakan. At ang usapan namin ni James Yap, dadali namin ang aming mga magagandang may bahay. Yun.
Grabe.
Yan ang aking baby daughter. Okay, back to action on the court. Meantime, here's Helterbrand with a steal and a foul is called.
So that possession just started the wrong way para dito sa Pure Foods and never got going. Halos hindi nila talaga mahawakan yung bola sa simula pa lang nung laro, nung play na yun.
Pure Foods in the last 2 minutes.
So effectively, narinig niyo po yung announcement, no? With under 2 minutes here in the final quarter, yung susunod na foul ng Pure Foods, although technically wala pa sila sa penalty, it will send a Ginebra player to the line.
The Pure Foods now required to make another stop to keep this a one-possession ball game.
Ginebra up by 2. Bola na kay Helterbrand, and he is going to find the best scoring opportunity here. 8 to shoot para sa Ginebra. And here's White. Helterbrand has the ball. Alley-oop, Rivas, and he will miss. Bola na kay Fingers, and Pure Foods can tie the game with a basket here. Raimundo loses the ball. And I wasn't really sure why Raimundo was in such a hurry.
Eksakto, sinabi mo, Migo, nagmamadali si Kirby Raimundo. We were looking at the shot clock as even worse, that is his 6th personal foul. We were looking at the shot clock when he got the rebound, Nico. Meron pang 25 seconds remaining, so a lot of time to set up a play. As you can see right here, broken play ang nangyari doon, pero nagkaroon pa rin ng pagkakataon ng Barangay Ginebra. You look at the clock, if you notice it, 25 seconds, lots of guards around, but that's what happens when you have centers or power forwards bringing down the basketball. Yung mga maliliit, nakakasundot sila kaagad.
But, you know, Kirby has to be one of the best ball handlers among the big men here. But they have so much time to use in that possession.
It seemed like in the, players have their own manual clocks in their heads. It seemed that, or automatic clock, it seemed that to si Kirby, ang pakiramdam niya, paubos na yung oras at kinakailangan na mag-attempt sila kaagad.
And so Tubid with a chance to make it a 4-point ball game with 19 seconds to go in the fourth quarter. And you hear the roar unmistakably mula sa barangay Big Dome. And they might be 19 seconds away from celebrating a Christmas victory para sa Ginebra. Ito yung ating mga kasama sa Radyo PBA. Yan, si Magu Marjon, who claims to be nice, at si Bujing Akot, who Magu claims to be naughty. Maybe it's the other way around.
Exactly. If you can write something like that, that means that you're naughty.
What a naughty thing to do. Yeah. Merry Christmas sa ating mga kaibigan sa Radyo PBA. Over DZSR 918 kilohertz. And once again, maligayang ko sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin na nandito sa loob ng Big Dome at sa lahat ng nanonood sa kanilang mga tahanan together with their families and loved ones. So we wish all of you a very, very peaceful and prosperous Christmas. Oh, si Boss Danny was always prosperous.
Amigo, basahin muna natin ang sitwasyon ngayon. Pure Foods doesn't have any more timeouts. They're down by 4 with 19 seconds to go. So, ibig sabihin yan, malamang itong Pure Foods, they have to go for a 3-point shot early unless they're hoping na itong Barangay Ginebra will still miss free throws on the other end. 2 free throws at that.
Here's that three-pointer on the way. In and out. Running and running. Rob Sands. Kaya lang, kinulak niya. Itong si Rafi Rivas. Third personal para kay Sands. Kanya lang, penalty na po ang Pure Foods because that is their second foul, team foul with under 2 minutes to go. Kaya tutungo sa free throw line si Rafi Rivas. Now remember, Ginebra had free throw shooting problems throughout this ball game.
Bago nito, Ronald Tubit made 2 free throws to make it a 2-possession ball game. Rafi Rivas needs at least 1.
Well, he got 1 out of 2. Wala na pong timeouts ang Pure Foods. 12 seconds to go. Simon nagmamadali. And here's Rob Sands for 3. Yes, sir! TM3! Hindi pa po sumusuko ang Pure Foods dito. And they will send Meng to the free throw line. They would have wanted to send Artadi to the line.
Exactly. Itong Barangay Ginebra got away with one, and Pure Foods knew that they missed an opportunity. Unang inbound ng bola, diretso kay Artadi. If you had the choice in that lineup, you would probably choose Artadi or Rivas.
Instead, si Mint ang kanilang ipapadala sa free throw line. First free throw is good. At 3-point lead po ito para sa Ginebra, 99-96. And this might be the icing on the Christmas cake. Here's Pingris. Pierford's down by 4. And Pingris, scores the layup. Wait a minute. Now this will make it a 2-point ball game. And with his bonus free throw para kay Pingris, he can choose. Okay, he can choose to miss.
And this is just a poor foul. Right there, no need.
Will Pingris miss it? There's the miss. Pero nakuha ni Rivas. And that will do it. Ginebra wins on Christmas Day.
Well, one of the problems para sa Pure Foods, they wanted to miss, they wanted to get the rebound. Problema, Romel Aducol, Kirby Raimundo, both fouled out. They did not have the rebounders needed, even if Mark Pingris missed that basketball.
So it's going to be a Merry Merry Christmas para sa mga taga-barangay Big Dome. Nanalo ang Ginebra by 2, 198 over Pure Foods. Yan ang final